Why are Linux kernel modules essential for the OS? Imagine building a house where you can add rooms or change features without tearing down the entire structure. That's what Linux kernel modules do for the operating system. They let the system grow and adapt while it's running. This flexibility is a big reason why Linux is so popular across many devices. The Linux kernel is the core part of the operating system. It manages hardware, handles system resources, and makes sure everything runs smoothly. But trying to include support for every possible hardware or feature directly in the kernel would make it huge and hard to manage. That's where kernel modules come in. They are small pieces of code that can be loaded or removed from the kernel whenever needed. One of the main benefits of kernel modules is that they can be added or taken out without restarting the system. This is done with simple commands like insert module or remove module. This means updates or new hardware support can happen instantly, keeping the system running smoothly. For example, when you connect a new printer or graphics card, the kernel can load the right driver module automatically. Kernel modules also support different file systems. If you need to read a new type of storage device, a module can be loaded to handle that file system. This way, the core kernel stays lightweight, and support for new devices or features is added only when necessary. Modules can depend on each other, and the kernel manages these dependencies to load everything in the right order. Another key feature is that modules can share functions or variables with each other. This makes the system more modular and easier to update. Plus, administrators can pass parameters to modules when loading them, customizing their behavior for specific needs. Compared to some other operating systems that requiring rebuilding and rebooting to add new features, Linux's use of kernel modules offers a perfect mix of performance and flexibility. It allows Linux distributions to stay lightweight at their core but still support a wide range of hardware and software. This is why Linux can run on servers, desktops, embedded devices, and more, all while staying adaptable and efficient.